In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CVROC in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any chart will work here, so just pull up the ticker or market you want to analyze. Once the chart is on your screen, we're going to start by opening the Indicators menu. At the top of your TradingView chart, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of TradingView's built-in indicators and your custom scripts are stored. So you'll be coming back to this menu a lot as you build out your chart layouts. When you click on Indicators, a new window will pop up. At the very top of that window, you'll notice a search box. This is the easiest way to quickly find what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search box so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type in CVROC in all caps, just like the name of the indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. In most cases, CVROC should appear under either built-in indicators or community scripts, depending on how it's categorized on your account. If you don't see it immediately, double-check your spelling and make sure you're searching in the main indicators window, not in a specific sub-tab. Once you see CVROC in the search results, hover over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will add the CVROC indicator to your chart. You should now see an additional pane appear, usually at the bottom of your chart, showing the CVROC values updating with each candle. If it doesn't show up, check that you didn't accidentally add it to a hidden pane. And also make sure your chart layout hasn't hit the maximum number of indicators allowed on your plan. From here, you can customize the settings if you want to tweak how CVROC behaves. Just hover over the indicator label on the chart, click the settings icon, and you'll be able to adjust inputs, colors, and visibility to match your personal trading style. Taking a moment to tailor the visuals can make your charts much easier to read, especially if you're stacking multiple indicators. If you're not yet on TradingView Pro and you want more indicators on a single chart, more flexible layouts, and overall smoother performance, check out my affiliate link in the description. Signing up through that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks the full power of indicators like CVRO inside TradingView Pro.